Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Skinfix Barrier Balancing Water Cream Moisturizer. This product retails for $54. Very excited for this launch because first of all, Skinfix has two previous moisturizers that they have released. One of them was a gel cream that I felt like was just about there to be a daily use moisturizer for me, but it was just lacking a little bit of hydration and nourishment that my skin personally needs. Their lipid-rich moisturizer works well for me as a night cream, but sometimes it can be a little bit heavy. This seems to be the balanced and the middle ground moisturizer, and so my hopes are high. Skinfix's products are more expensive and higher on the price scale, but often I find that their formulas are worth it. I have invested in many of their products before. It's been hit or miss on whether I can use their formulas, but still very excited for this water cream coming from someone who is combination skin. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The main things I'm going to be looking for with it include what finish does it leave on the skin. They claim this is non-comedogenic. I don't like that term because the testing behind it is not foolproof, and plenty of products have been labeled non-comedogenic that have caused acne, so I'm just gonna see if it works for my personal acne-prone skin. I don't subscribe to the non-comedogenic marketing, so that doesn't really mean much to me. I still want to test this out. I also want to see how nourishing it is for my skin, and do I feel like it's enough to use both day and night. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this product. I have done a spot test of this, and from that, it feels really nice, and I'm super excited. I'm hoping this moisturizer lives up to what I hope it will, because water cream is the perfect texture for my combination skin, and Skinfix's moisturizers are amazing. The lighter weight version wasn't moisturizing enough, but sometimes the lipid rich is too heavy. So that's why I'm hoping this one will be perfect. Comes in standard Skinfix packaging, which is this nice pump delivery, which I love because it's super convenient. Look at how nourishing that looks. This feels so nice going on the skin, and after I did the spot test, it absorbed really nice. It has a nice kind of water gel texture. Water cream is the perfect description of it because it definitely gives a little bit more moisturization than the gel cream, and it's just feeling like the product that I have really wanted from them. I'm so excited to moisturize my skin today. You can see there, it's extremely lightweight. It's not really leaving much of a finish on the skin. It's kind of leaving a very similar finish to how the gel cream left, but I can definitely tell there's some more weight to this product, specifically in my drier areas around my chin. I can tell that this has more moisturization, more soothing properties, and I feel like it is actually doing something when the gel cream just kind of felt like it was blending into the skin and not really doing much. I am really hopeful for this. I just keep saying that because as long as this doesn't break me out, as long as it isn't drying or doesn't feel like it does nothing to the skin, then I will enjoy it. It just feels like it has that extra layer that I was missing with the gel cream. So anyway, I'm really excited to keep using this. I'm excited to use it both day and night, see if it is moisturizing overnight. Other than that, I'm just going to continue using it and then I'll check in again. I'm here to give you all my final thoughts on this moisturizer. This is the first Skinfix moisturizer that I feel like meshed really well with my skin for everyday, twice a day use, and also for my skin, I feel like in any season. So I'm gonna talk about this product solely. First of all, I wanna say I would repurchase it. This is just a moisturizer that really worked for me texture-wise, worked for me feel-wise. Everything about it was just what I personally look for in a moisturizer because I have more combination skin. I definitely feel like this is a balanced moisturizer, meaning that no matter what skin type you have, it could work for you in any season or any skin type because it is very balancing. I liked it because in my drier areas, I tend to not want to put something on so heavy in my T-zone where I am oily, but I need something nourishing enough for those drier areas. This product was perfect. It really did everything I hoped it would. Didn't break me out, didn't cause any acne, and also the standout ingredients helped me notice some more plumping benefits with this product, and also is just an amazing hydrating moisturizer. I think how this product left my skin feeling is really the reason why I would find myself repurchasing it and why I feel like this is a standout moisturizer for me. But that price point is a little bit steep. I have to say, it is something that just because I love the texture of this product and I love this product so much that I would reinvest in it. The ingredients proved to work really well for my acne prone skin, and it was just something that I found myself wanting to use. I have so many moisturizers. It's hard to stand out to me with a moisturizer. This product really did that for me. I was hoping it would because, like I said, the gel cream has worked, but it wasn't nourishing enough. Has that same lightweight consistency that the gel cream has, but packs more of a punch when it comes to long-term nourishment and hydration that it delivered my skin. So overall, it was a very great water cream option. I really would recommend it. However, if you are not willing to invest in this and you want some more budget-friendly alternatives to water creams, because I have tried so many, I do feel like the closest resemblance is the bubble water cream. That's always the one that I recommend, but that is just my go-to other than this one. It doesn't have as many hard-hitting ingredients. It's a little bit more bare bones. I do feel like you are getting your money's worth with this product. I personally would reinvest in this product over the bubble, but the bubble is definitely an option. Closest texture-wise and closest to everything that I have noticed with it. Tried out so many water creams though. They usually just tend to lean a little bit more gel cream territory, which is fine for my skin sometimes. This is just the ultimate water cream that I feel like I would use no matter what. And so for that reason, I would invest in this. I would recommend trying this, especially if you enjoy a water cream texture or you're like me and have combination skin. I don't know that it's gonna work for everyone's acne prone skin because everyone's acne is different, but personally, I loved it, and that is the reason why I would recommend it. Ultimately, comes down to personal preference. The bubble is, I feel like, a good alternative if you want to try out a water cream texture. I would still recommend at least feeling this product in person or some way of testing out this product because it's just a level of nourishment that I haven't seen in a lot of other water creams, and it just has that extra weight and extra bounce that it gives my skin that I feel like just makes it so worth it, and that's why I would reinvest in it and why I really enjoyed this product. I would 100% recommend trying it, and it worked well for my skin. Ultimately though, the bubble is a more budget-friendly alternative if you're looking for that. However, I mean, I personally am going to reinvest in this product. I'm excited to see how it continues working for me and what else I continue to notice with the overall hydration of my skin, because I feel like it was really supporting my skin barrier. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.